Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. My name is Meeta Jatia and I welcome you to my channel Dania Ali, where I make videos on makeup and skincare. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Coming to today's video, it's going to be for all those of you who are just starting out with makeup and you want to create your own makeup kit. I'm going to be showing you and suggesting a few very affordable makeup products that's not going to burn a hole in your pocket. So without further ado, let's get started. Now guys, starting off with primers, I have here with me the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. Now this is an extremely affordable primer. It does the job of mattifying your pores really well. This retails for 650 rupees, but I grabbed this at a discount on Nykaa. But if you're looking for some more affordable products, you can also check out Inside Cosmetics and Swiss Beauty. Both their primers are really nice. Now coming to foundations, there are two foundations that I would like to recommend. The first one is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is a universally loved foundation, guys, extremely affordable, and this does not feel very heavy or cakey on the skin. It's a very lightweight foundation. It gives a beautiful matte finish. This retails for around 550 rupees for a bigger bottle. I have the smaller one with me, which retails for 300 rupees. A very good foundation. The second foundation that I would like to recommend is the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. Now guys, this is also an extremely beautiful foundation, very lightweight, does not feel very heavy on the skin, has a good lasting power for about 6 to 7 hours. And this helps in minimizing your pores, mattifying your complexion. This is a demi-matte finish, so this will suit all skin types. This retails for around 800 rupees, but a very good foundation to invest in. Now guys, coming down to concealers, the first product that I would like to recommend is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Now this is a very good lightweight concealer which provides flawless natural coverage. This is an oil-free concealer, blends beautifully under the eyes, camouflages your blemishes and dark circles. This retails for 475 rupees, but with Maybelline products, you can always get this at a discount on different websites such as Myntra, Amazon, Purple, Nykaa. So a very good product. The second concealer that I would like to recommend is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. Now guys, this is again a beautiful concealer. It little goes a long way. This has a huge doe foot applicator, which makes it very easy to apply the product. This is also considered a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape. And this is like a full coverage concealer, guys. So if you do have a lot of dark circles under the eyes, this will do the job really well. This retails for 800 rupees, but again, this is always available on a discount on Amazon, Myntra, and you can get this product at a much affordable price. Now coming down to eyebrows, the first product that I would like to recommend is from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Ultimate Brow Kit. I'm sorry guys, I've already lost this color because I accidentally dropped it, but this is a beautiful eyebrow kit. It comes with 5 products, a tweezer, an eyebrow brush, 2 eyebrow colors, and a wax to set your eyebrows. Basically everything that you require to set your brows, and this retails for 499 rupees. The second product that I would like to recommend is from e.l.f. This is their Instant Lift Eyebrow Pencil. It comes with a pencil on one side and a spoolie on the other. The eyebrow pencil is not too waxy, and that's just how I like it. This retails for 300 rupees, and I'm so glad that e.l.f. has finally launched on Nykaa. I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup soon with e.l.f. products, so stay tuned for that. Now speaking of kajals, the first kajal that I would like to recommend is from Plum. This is their Plum Kohl Kajal, and by the size of the pencil, you guys can see how much I have used this up. This is an intensely black kajal, stays put onto your eyes for a decent amount of time. This retails for about 475 rupees, but again, you can grab this at a discount on different websites. The second kajal that I would like to recommend is from Lakme. This is the Lakme Iconic Kohl Kajal. This retails for 275 rupees, also a very, very good kajal. Coming down to eyeshadow palettes, the first palette that I would like to recommend is from Makeup Revolution. This is their Reloaded palette in Velvet Rose. This retails for 850 rupees, and if you are somebody who is looking out for just one palette to invest in, this is the one. As you can see, it has a lot of neutral warm colors. You can create your day look with it. You can also create a glam night look with this palette. A very, very good palette to invest in. The eyeshadows are highly pigmented. They blend beautifully onto the eyes. A good investment. The second palette that I would recommend is these 10 pan palettes from Wet n Wild. Now, my favorite palette from this is the Rosé in the Air palette. As you can see, I have already hit pan on a lot of colors. This again is a very, very good palette, guys. The eyeshadows are highly pigmented, blend beautifully onto the eyes. These retail for 499 rupees, but again, you can get this at a discount on various websites. Now guys, coming to loose powders, the first powder that I have here with me is from Bharat and Doris. This is their translucent setting powder. For 30 grams of product, you pay around 675 rupees, but a little goes a long way. A very good loose powder. It blurs out your imperfections, sets the concealer really well. Very, very good powder to invest in. The second powder that I have here with me is from Sugar Cosmetics. This is the Set Their Tone Tinted Powder. Again, this is a huge tub. It's going to last you for quite some time. This retails for something around 600 to 700 rupees. A very, very good powder to invest in my opinion. Now coming down to bronzers, the bronzer that I have here with me is from NYX Cosmetics. This is their matte bronzer. This retails for 850 rupees, but this too little goes a long way. You really need very little of this product, and this is going to last you for quite some time. If you're looking for more affordable options, then the bronzers from Wet n Wild are really good. I think it's called What Shady Beaches. Those retail for around 499 rupees. A very good bronzer if you're looking for something more affordable. Now guys, coming down to blushes, I have here with me the Wet n Wild Color Icon blushes in the shades Pearlescent Pink and Mellow Wine. Both these shades are my favorites, and they are highly pigmented. They blend beautifully onto the cheeks. These retail for 499 rupees, but again, you can get this at a discount on various websites. The second product that I would like to recommend is from Daughter Earth. This is their Lip and Cheek Tint. This is a highly pigmented lip and cheek tint, guys. A little goes a long way. These retail for 795 rupees, but you will get good use out of this product. I've already done an in-depth review on these products. In case you've missed it, you can check my previous videos out. Speaking of highlighter, guys, if there's just one highlighter that you need to invest in, it's going to be the Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter. A highly pigmented highlighter, guys. One swipe and you are going to look like a disco ball. This retails for 550 rupees, but again, this is available on discount on most websites. Now lastly, coming down to lipsticks and setting sprays, I have quite a bit of lipsticks here with me. Nowadays, you get a lot of affordable lipsticks in the market, so I mean, I can't recommend any particular ones, but I do have a few here with me. The Creamy Matte range from Maybelline, they are really nice. They are very comfortable on the lips and they are quite affordable. They retail for 299 rupees. Again, you can also check out the So Creme matte lipsticks, creamy matte lipsticks from Nykaa. And these are also very affordable. Again, I think they retail for 299 rupees and you get quite a good color selection. Then I have the Wet n Wild Liquid Matte Lipsticks. I have in the shade Rebel Rose here with me. Also, the shade Give Me Mocha is one of my favorite shades. These retail for 499 rupees. So you will get quite a selection of lipsticks in an affordable category these days. Now, lastly, coming down to setting sprays. What I have here with me is from Flower Beauty. This is the Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray. I think this retails for 600 to 700 rupees for a 100 ml bottle. It has quite a bit of quantity. It's going to last you for some time. Also, if you're looking for more affordable options, Miss Claire setting sprays are also very affordable and also very nice. Also from Wet n Wild, their setting sprays are also very good options. With this, it's a wrap, guys. If you like the video, do give me a like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.